Try it yourself.
Let's go check it out. Come on.
All right, have you guys ever seen this guy?
Yes.
Now, I'm glad you said Albert Einstein. I had a kid say it was Frankenstein. You know, this is Albert Einstein. Now, Albert Einstein was a scientist who studied forces and motion. And so we're going to use him today. In fact, remember we said all forces are what?
Push and a pull.
Push and a pull. All right, are you ready? If Albert Einstein held this up and he lets go of it, where's it going to go?
Straight down.
Get your hands ready. Let's see if that works. 1, 2, 3. Good job. It went down. Now, I'm going to ask you a $100 question. Okay? Ready? You can phone a friend if you have to. Here we go. Hold it. Get ready again. When Albert Einstein lets go of this, 3, 2, 1. Now, we said all forces were either a push or a pull. So what force is making this ball go down?
Kinetic energy.
Well, 3, 2, 1. What force is making this ball go down? Class?
Gravity.
Gravity. Gravity. Now, here's the $100 question for you. If gravity is making this come down, is that a push or a pull? Don't answer yet. Let's do it one more time. When Einstein lets go of this, 3, 2, 1, and gravity pulls it down, is that a pull or a push?
A pull.
It's a pull. $100 question. You got it. Would you guys pay her later for me?
We'll see if we can find out.
Okay. Let's give her a round of applause. That was a pull. Very good. Very good. And so let's we got to draw this quick. Okay. So here's Cassie's hand. The ball is falling down, right? It's falling down. Ready? And so is that a push or a pull? It's a pull. And you guys said gravity, right? So let's put gravity right here. Gravity from the earth. And gravity is a pull force that pulls things down. And so that was excellent that you knew that. A lot of kids don't get that. All these drawings, try to keep them in that first drawing right there, right? All right, now this is a hard question. Who's done?
Me.
We'll see. Okay, just a minute here. But first, this is a hard question. I'm going to ask the question first. Don't answer it till I'm finished talking. We know there's gravity on Earth, right? We heard it drop down, right? My question is if this is the sun and here is the Earth going around it, revolving, happy birthday, you're 1. Happy birthday, you're 2. How old are you? 9. You have traveled around the sun 9 times. That's called a revolution. And so 9 times you've made this trip around the sun. Did you know that? You have. And every morning you go like this. Good morning, good night. Good morning, good night. So for many times you've been rotating and revolving. Now, this is held. If we didn't have the sun here, this Earth would go flying off into space. So here's my question. Is there gravity in outer space?
Yes.
Think about it. What's holding the planets together? Is there gravity? How many people? Thumbs up if you think yes. If you don't know, like this. If you think no. The answer is yes. There is gravity in outer space. A lot of kids get that wrong because they see people on the space shuttle. And on the space shuttle, they're floating around. But what they don't know is that the space shuttle is actually falling around the Earth. And it's going 17,500 miles an hour. So the shuttle is actually falling at the same time the people are inside of it, so they look like they're floating. But without gravity, the Earth would do this. And it would go and be very dark and not very nice to live around here.